Tired of the grind? There's a better way. Are you tired of the daily grind? Exhausted from working long hours with little to show for it? Imagine a life where you have more time for the things you love, all while earning a substantial income. It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. With Onpassive, this dream can become your reality. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel trapped in the cycle of overwork and under-reward. We're constantly told to hustle harder and sacrifice more, but what if there was another way? What if you could achieve financial freedom and reclaim your precious time? That's where Onpassive comes in. This revolutionary platform is changing the game, empowering individuals like you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 and design a life of abundance and flexibility. Get ready to say goodbye to the rat race and hello to a brighter future. Before we dive in, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. So, what exactly is Onpassive? In simple terms, it's an online business platform powered by artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge technology does the heavy lifting for you, automating tasks, generating leads, and driving traffic to your personalized online business. Onpassive offers a suite of digital marketing tools and services, all designed to help you succeed online. From website builders and email marketing to social media management and lead generation, Onpassive provides everything you need to establish and grow a thriving online presence. But here's the best part. Onpassive is built on a foundation of community and support. When you join Onpassive, you become part of a global network of like-minded individuals, all committed to helping each other succeed. One of the most life-changing benefits of Onpassive is its ability to dramatically reduce your work hours. Imagine saying goodbye to long commutes, endless meetings, and feeling chained to your desk. Onpassive's AI-powered automation takes care of the tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. Imagine spending more time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or simply enjoying the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. With Onpassive, you can finally break free from the time constraints of a traditional job and enjoy the flexibility you deserve. Whether it's traveling the world, spending precious moments with family, or pursuing a long-neglected hobby, Onpassive gives you the gift of time, the most valuable asset of all. Section 4. Watch your income soar with Onpassive. Not only does Onpassive give you back your time, but it also has the potential to significantly boost your income. With its powerful AI-driven marketing tools and automated systems, Onpassive helps you reach a wider audience and generate more leads, ultimately translating into increased sales and revenue. The beauty of Onpassive is that it's a residual income model. This means that you can continue to earn money over time from the work you put in up front. Imagine building a sustainable income stream that continues to grow even while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with loved ones. With Onpassive, you're not just trading your time for money, you're building a long-term asset that can generate passive income for years to come. It's time to break free from the limitations of a traditional job and step into a world of financial abundance. Section 5. Real people, real results, Onpassive success stories. Don't just take our word for it. The proof is in the countless success stories from real people whose lives have been transformed by Onpassive. From stay-at-home parents to retirees, people from all walks of life are achieving financial freedom and living their dreams thanks to this revolutionary platform. People just like you are achieving incredible results and living proof that financial freedom and time freedom are within reach. Section 6. Ready to transform your life? Join Onpassive today. Are you ready to ditch the daily grind, reclaim your time, and achieve financial abundance? The opportunity is here right now with Onpassive. Don't let this life-changing opportunity pass you by. Join the Onpassive movement today and start building the life you've always dreamed of. The future is here and it's filled with possibilities. Take the first step towards a brighter tomorrow and unlock your true potential with Onpassive. For more information, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.